So I think this event was a good one, a special one, because we are after pandemic, and all the community, the credit community, was I think I see and I feel from the talks we had also at the coffee breaks, formal, informal, that we wanted to be together. We need to be together more and more. So the initiatives like this one, they are super welcome, and for the network, for learning from others, sharing experiences, just in one word, to see the status of the industry. And yeah, if I would summarize, yeah, I'm satisfied with the meeting today and the 3 days, and more to come, I'm pretty sure. I'm in contact with Mark, I mean, since some years now, and I have to say that this event is just the moment when we meet all together, but during this period, the last 2 years, we were constantly in touch with Mark, and the support, the feedback, the comments he is able to provide, they came always precious to our operations. And we used Mark, we have Mark as a golden bridge between what is happening in our company, what is happening in other companies, what is happening around. So I would say it's good. We have a website we can refer to, but the human touch, the human connection plays a big role, thanks to the commitment that Mark is putting into that. Yeah. One of the effects that these events they have on our organization is that it's a question. So we, after the meetings, after the convention, we always ask ourselves, are we at the right level? Are we meeting the industry standards? Where is the needle? Are we having the bar at the right level, or should we challenge ourselves a bit more? It's nice to be challenged this way, yeah. I have to say that after this is, I think, the third time I'm in the credit matters. I saw the technology also that we are using being better and better. The application that we use to share, to have networks, to build a network, to have the voting experience, to rate the presenters. I think this is a great feature, and I have to say, I still have it in my mobile since last time, and I use it to connect with other professionals in credit management.